Samsung users are sleeping on these 7 good lock features. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're using a Samsung phone and you've installed Good Lock but barely touched it or never installed it at all, you are seriously sleeping on some powerful features. So let me show you 7 hidden Good Lock features that most Samsung users ignore, explained step by step. Let's get started. First one is One Hand Operation Plus. What this feature does? This feature lets you control your phone using swipe gestures from the edges. You can go back, open recent apps, lock the screen, or take screenshots without touching navigation buttons. Step by step, go to Galaxy Store, search for Good Lock, and install it. Open Good Lock, tap on One Hand Operation Plus, turn the toggle on, tap on left handle or right handle, remove navigation buttons for smoother performance on older phones. Next one is Quickstar. What this feature does? Quickstar allows you to customize the status bar. You can hide unnecessary icons and make your phone look cleaner and less crowded. Step by step, open Good Lock, tap on Quickstar, enable Quickstar, tap on visibility of indicator icons, turn off icons you don't use. Simple trick, a clean status bar makes older phones feel more modern. Next one is Sound Assistant. What this feature does? Sound Assistant gives you advanced control over audio. You can manage volume levels per app and make volume changes smoother. Open Good Lock, tap on Sound Assistant, turn it on, tap on individual app volumes and enable it. Tap on Volume Step and reduce it. Simple trick, smaller volume steps stop sudden loud sounds. Next one is Lockstar. What this feature does? Lockstar lets you fully customize your lock screen. You can move the clock, notifications, and shortcuts wherever you want. Open Good Lock, tap on Lockstar, enable Lockstar, tap on Edit Lock Screen. Drag clock and notifications to your preferred position. Simple trick, move the clock lower for better notification visibility. Next one is Nice Catch. What this feature does? Nice Catch tells you exactly which app causes vibrations, pop-ups, or random screen wake-ups. Open Good Lock, tap on Nice Catch, enable Nice Catch, turn on vibration history. Simple trick, stop guessing. Nice Catch shows the exact app causing the issue. Next one is Home Up. What this feature does? Home Up upgrades your home screen and recent apps layout, helping you use space more efficiently. Open Good Lock, tap on Home Up, enable Home Up, tap on Home Screen Grid, increase grid size. Simple trick, more apps on one screen equals less scrolling. Next one is Reggiar. What this feature does? Reggiar unlocks hidden system features like back tap gestures and settings shortcuts. Open Good Lock, tap on Reggiar, enable Reggiar, tap on Back Tap Action, enable Double Tap, assign it to Flashlight or Screenshot. Simple trick, Back Tap gives instant shortcuts without extra apps. Bonus tip for older Samsung phones. You don't need every Good Lock module. Open Good Lock, install only what you use. This keeps performance smooth. So yes, Samsung users are seriously sleeping on these 7 Good Lock features. Try these out and your device will feel brand new without spending any money. That's all for the video.